Hello, hello, my revivers. Welcome back to the CPR Vibe. Today, we're going to be talking about the decisions that you make. At the end of the day, you are the one that is going to lay on that pillow and lay down with any choice or decision you have made in your life. So from this day forward, if you have made decisions that you are not happy with, if you have made decisions that make you feel less than, that make you feel that you are not worthy of certain things, and make you feel, just make you not feel like who God created you to be, then I'm here to tell you today, let's throw that away. Let's not worry about that, because we all know that when you make a decision that doesn't stir right with you and your connection to God, you're not going to feel good. When you go to sleep, you're not going to feel good. When you lay down, you're not going to get a peaceful sleep. Excuse me, guys. I don't know what's going on. You're not going to have a peaceful rest. Your brain is not going to be able to rest like it should. With that being said, if you know the feelings that you have and you know that it doesn't feel good, try to think before you make a decision. How am I going to feel? How is this going to affect me? How is it going to affect my spouse, my partner, my mate, my children, or anyone that may be affected by your decision? Think about that, because a lot of times the effects of what it does to people and people around you, places around you, or different things is why you can't sleep at night. So try to say self, and I always talk to self going to say, you say, is this a good decision? Should I be making this decision? Do I need to think longer about this decision? Is this decision going to affect me financially, mentally? And we can keep going. Think on those things when you make decisions that have something to do that can basically shake your life up in some way, shape, or form. That is the worst feeling to have, because you can't get a good night's sleep. You can't sleep peacefully when you have made a decision that makes you feel like you have just made a complete mistake. We all have been there. We all have done that. And nobody needs to point a finger. I'm just here to say to you, as your big sister, your friend, or whatever you want to call me, you pick yourself up and you do better, and you realize that these mistakes and these ups and downs that you may have, that you sometimes may cause, are a part of life. And sometimes God will let you keep going through them until you get it and realize, you know what? I'm not feeling this. But what am I supposed to learn, God? What do you want me to see from this? What is it that you want me to get out of this so that I don't have to come back here again? That's what you should be asking yourself. So think on that throughout the week, and make sure before you make a decision, you think about it. Remember, stick to your script, because you are the best at it. And I will see you guys later, Gators. Oh, hold on.